ARB attachment. We produce Detrasher. It is being produced in our own factory in India, near Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu. We are the inventor and creator for this kind of special attachments for sugarcane industry, and this Detrasher will work very fine with Kubota tractors as well. Any other tractor that has a PTO, small tractor, mini tractors are advisable, big tractors are not advisable because they can't get into the cane 4 feet distance a row. And we give a fan also with it, so that the no trash is sent across to the driver. The fan sucks out the trash and puts them away from the driver. Very comfortable, very quiet, gearboxed Detrasher for cane industry. You can even stop one portion of the rotation, and you can have only the top portion rotating or only the bottom portion rotating. So when the grain grows, you can have two portions on the top rotating, or you can have only the bottom portion rotating. We have 4 sections, guaranteed. It will be a very useful equipment for sugar farms. Thank you. Visit arbattachment.in.